We're starting a little repair project today. We've got a dock here with some rotten pilings on it. We're going to be doing a piling inspection, checking all the poles, see which ones are rotten. The diagonal cross braces are rotted also, so we're going to be removing those, installing new diagonal cross braces, new stainless steel hardware, and we're going to check all the poles for any additional rot, put some piling wrap around them to prevent the Torito boreworms from eating any more of the poles up. Some of the diagonal cross braces that we were replacing, you see the part that's in the water was just completely eaten up by the Torito boreworms. Just got back from our loading area with another load of lumber coming over to this repair job. More pilings, more cross bracing, more diagonal braces. Some of the beautiful scenery that we have to put up while working out here on the water. Right there. Project here that we are replacing the pilings and boards that need to be replaced. Just trying to fix it up back to its original condition.
Not this time. Got the same hole though.
We are now unloading all the old pilings that we removed from the old dock. Take them over to our recycle yard. It's definitely raining now. Welcome through the rain on another rainy day.
Us out here working in the rain on a Friday.
Hey, thanks for watching my video of the restoration of this old dock. Make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the completion of this project. You'll have a great weekend.